Imagine a device from 2,000 years ago, more complex than anything known for centuries. In 1901, off the tiny Greek island of Antikythera, sponge divers stumbled upon a shipwreck yielding a treasure trove of ancient artifacts. Among them, a corroded lump of bronze initially overlooked. Little did they know, this unassuming fragment held a monumental secret. Years of painstaking conservation revealed the first glimpses of intricate gears, hinting at something far more extraordinary than anyone could have imagined. Decades of research followed, but the true complexity remained hidden until the 21st century. Modern X-ray tomography revolutionized our understanding, revealing intricate gear trains and complex dial systems concealed within the fragile fragments. Imagine dozens of interlocking gears precisely engineered. These scans allowed scientists to visualize its original form, a beautiful functional bronze box, likely with dials and inscriptions on its exterior, a testament to incredible ancient craftsmanship. But what was its purpose? Research revealed its primary functions, predicting eclipses with astonishing accuracy and tracking the positions of the planets as they were known in antiquity. Was it purely a sophisticated astronomical calculator, an ancient computer? Or did it also serve a more esoteric purpose, perhaps as a celestial oracle used for astrological divination? Evidence suggests advanced calendrical functions, even tracking the cycle of the ancient Olympic Games. The debate continues, highlighting the fascinating intersection of science and belief in the ancient world. Who possessed the brilliance to conceive and construct such a device? Theories point to figures like Archimedes or Hipparchus, giants of Hellenistic Greek science and engineering. Their known prowess makes them plausible candidates. The Antikythera Mechanism stands as a powerful testament to the advanced scientific and engineering capabilities of the Hellenistic Greeks. Yet this level of technology seemingly vanished for over 1,000 years, a profound mystery. Its enduring legacy challenges our perceptions of ancient technology, forcing us to reconsider their potential. Ongoing research continues to unlock more secrets hidden within its corroded fragments, a reminder of the boundless ingenuity of the human mind.